Okay, let's see if this works. Here's a Python script that uses the CoinGecko API to get the current price of Hex in USD. So I just asked it a question, write me a Python script, 10 lines of code, gives me the current price of Hex. And it's literally importing the right library. It's putting in the CoinGecko URL. It is asking for, it's getting a response using the get function. It's parsing it, JSON, it's parsing JSON here, and then it's outputting it. And then it explains what it does. It's using the request library, like literally what I said, what I said. And then you could take this code and you can run it, and it should work. I'm not going to pull up the terminal and run it right now, but it should just work probably as is, unless sometimes you need an API key for some of these. So for example, I would say, so the cool thing, so yeah, that's cool, right? But now you can tell it to do, you can iterate on it. You can say, okay, I don't want to use CoinGecko API. I want to use the RHmax API, let's say. Add it again using the RHmax API. And it writes it. And this one says, like, it even knows that you need an API key for RHmax. It's just incredible. Like, you don't, Googling is to get references and to try to put those pieces together to determine the correct answer. And for example, a lot of coders, they will Google and use Stack Overflow stuff, because Stack Overflow is a place where you ask questions. A lot of them are coding questions, and people post correct answers to a lot of the common questions. This is, it goes beyond Googling. This is, it's like, instead of giving you the references and letting you piece it together, and maybe some of them contain answers, maybe some of them don't, this is giving you an answer. So it's just the next level. It's the next evolution. Let's see. I think let me ask it if it can run the code. I'm not sure. Just ask it. Yeah, so sometimes it can, I think it has like a virtual machine to run some of the code, or maybe they disabled it. But it'll actually, I've seen people, I think I've seen examples of it actually trying to run code. And I think it just does it virtually to try to help you do that. So this one, it can't run the code, but it'll tell you exactly how to run the code yourself. Amazing.